Welcome to my new listing. This single-story home is located within a small enclave of homes in University Place. In this neighborhood, the lawn care is taken care of by the HOA, which leaves you more time to enjoy all that the low-country lifestyle has to offer. We're close to Beaufort, Savannah, the Savannah Hilton Head Airport, and Hilton Head Island. When you walk into this home, you may think you've stepped into the model. It has a lot of upgrades, tons of natural light, this fantastic dining space, and it also has luxury vinyl plank floors, vaulted ceilings, a wonderful kitchen with expansive island, stainless steel appliances, under cabinet lighting. It's got a gas range, which this is a natural gas community. It's got a pantry and also rollouts, which really add to the functionality. The living space is comfortable and inviting. It's adjacent to the screened porch, which can be used year-round and overlooks a private wooded view. The owner's suite has great separation from the other bedrooms in the home. It also has a walk-in closet and bathroom with dual vanity and walk-in shower. In this part of the home, you have the second bathroom, 2 large closets, and the laundry room, which features cabinets above the washer and dryer. You also have access to the 2-car garage. Thanks for taking this tour with me. If you'd like more information, you can visit my website, kateyakini.com, or call or text me at 843-683-5283.